Bath time. Nora! Nora!
Nora!
Are you having fun in the bath?
Nora!
Are you having fun in the
Hi, Mommy!
Are you having fun in the bath?
Quack, quack! Quack, quack! Quack, quack! Quack, quack!
Are you eating your phone?
Quack, quack!
What's Auntie Steph doing?
Quack, quack! Oh my gosh, you are too funny! What?
So much
What?
fun, you can't contain yourself.
Oh my goodness. So exciting. Bath time. Quack, quack.
Ducky.
Quack, quack. Quack, quack.
That phone tastes good?
Yummy.
Yeah. Ah! Ah! How's that
Are you
phone?
gonna be one of those kids who tries to get her whole fist in her mouth at some point?
Yeah, sure does that. See,
Quack,
I've already
quack,
tried
quack.
that. That's old hat.
Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, 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 quack. Ooh, don't drop it. Oh, you dropped it.
Phone down. Phone down.
You dropped it. Oh, phew.
I'm too tired to hold it, Auntie Steph. Hold it for
Giving
me.
it to you. I'm just giving it to you. Yeah. No.
Whoa.
It is exciting. Quack, quack.
Oh. Ooh, water.
Ooh. Take the duck now.
Try to get that in my mouth.
Yummy. You can get more of that in, huh? Honey bunny, you're going to choke yourself. My goodness, what is up?
Nora. Nora. Hey. Psst. Nora. Psst. Psst.
There you go. Do that in. You can't get quite as much in. Not that you won't try.